Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to enable the feature in Google Chrome that asks you where to save files before downloading them. This new update allows you to have more control over your downloads, ensuring that you can choose the perfect location for each file. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, we'll move on to the next step. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various options for your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Downloads section. You may need to scroll down a bit to find it, but it's usually located in the left sidebar or under Advanced Settings. Click on Downloads. In this section, you will see an option labeled Ask where to save each file before downloading. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the on position. This means that every time you download a file, Chrome will prompt you with a dialog box asking where you would like to save it. Once you've enabled this setting, you're all set. The next time you download a file, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose your desired download location. This is especially useful if you want to keep your files organized or if you're downloading multiple files at once. To recap, here are the steps. 1. Open Chrome browser. 2. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings. Click on Downloads. Enable Ask where to save files. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the feature that allows Chrome to ask where to save files before downloading them. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience and happy downloading.